In this video, I'll guide you through how to create alternate emails on the Google Workspace admin console. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up additional email addresses for a user, like support or info, so that messages sent to those addresses still land in the same inbox. This is really useful for role-based emails, help addresses, or branded aliases without having to create separate accounts. First, make sure you're signed in to your Google Workspace admin console with an account that has admin permissions. You'll need this level of access to manage users and their email settings. Once you're signed in, you should see the main admin console dashboard. From the dashboard, look toward the top left for the main menu icon, which looks like three horizontal lines. This is sometimes called the hamburger menu. Click that to open the navigation panel. In this panel, find and select directory and then click on users. This section is where all the user accounts in your organization are listed. You'll now see a list of users. Scroll through or use the search bar at the top to quickly find the person who should receive the alternate emails. When you see the correct account, click on the user's name. This will open that user's details page where you can adjust various settings related to their account. On the users page, look to the left-hand side. You should see a small profile area with the user's picture or initials, and underneath it, several options related to their account. Among these options, look for the one that says Add Alternate Emails. Go ahead and click on that. This opens the section where you can define additional email addresses, often called aliases. These don't require a new mailbox. They just route messages to the user's existing inbox. In the alternate email field, type the prefix you want to use. For example, if you want messages sent to support at your domain to go to this user, just type the word support. You don't need to type the full address with the AT symbol and your domain, because Google automatically attaches your primary domain to the prefix you enter. Take a moment to double check the spelling. It's important that it's correct, especially for addresses that will be public facing, like support or info, since people will be typing them often. Make sure you're not using any spaces or special characters that aren't allowed in email addresses. Once you've entered the prefix and confirmed it looks right, click Save. This step is essential to actually apply the change. If you navigate away without saving, the alternate email will not be created. After saving, the new alternate email is now associated with that user's account. Emails sent to that address will automatically appear in their inbox, and the user can also send messages using it as a from address, depending on how their Gmail settings are configured. If you need more aliases for the same user, you can repeat this process and add additional prefixes in the same section. That's all you need to do to create alternate emails on the Google Workspace admin console.